Good morning. This is John Green on Green Ideas. I bought a impact driver drill and it's called Lumberjack. It doesn't really matter what the brand is. They're all quite similar. At this price range, they're all quite similar. Quite good actually. Very, very happy with this thing. And after having changed the bit a few times, a couple broke off. But having changed them, all of a sudden now, I can't get this one out. And I've been working on it. Yesterday I must have been working on it for about an hour and I just couldn't get the damn thing out. I still can't get it out. I want to show you maybe some stuff I saw on YouTube. And if that works, then that's a very good way to get this bastard out. The thing is that somehow the ball in there is locked into this bit and the bit refuses to move. This is called the anvil, apparently. You know, there's a cover and whatever, but there's a hammer at the back that hits it. So I tried just yanking on it with vice grips. That didn't do anything. But I did see some people who said that if you get a good grip on it and then hit it in reverse, apparently, alright, that didn't change anything. In fact, it's even tighter. Damn it. Alright, I'll try again. I don't think it matters if it's in reverse, because just said I did it in reverse and nothing happened. Alright. No, that doesn't seem to have changed anything. I also notice it spins. I'm going to try sticking it in the actual vise. Alright, everything's a bit of a mess because I'm moving everything around. It's quite a mess. I'll show you a better workshop when everything's clean. Now, alright, let's see. Alright, I'm going to stick it in the vise so it doesn't spin. And yeah, it's a little bit scary. I've never done it before. But I saw other people online doing things like this and it seemed to work. The sleeve just doesn't move at all, really. The sleeve is stuck. It's really... Oh, I should spray it with some WD-40. Yeah, I think I need to spray it. Yep, need a little bit of oil. Yes. All right. I can't believe it. I was working on that for over an hour yesterday. All it took was a little oil. And of course, if the impact bit is fixed somewhere and it's not moving, then the rattling of the anvil will release the bit, and now you can see it moves quite freely. It was stuck yesterday and now it isn't. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, alright, again, my name is John Green. This is Green Ideas. And next time you run into a problem like this, don't take the drill to pieces. Just stick it in a vise, spray a little WD, and give it a pull. I can't believe it actually worked. All I needed was a little bit of oil. Maybe that's all I would have needed yesterday. But I spent a lot of time trying to fix it, and today I fixed it. Thank you to the internet, thank you to YouTube, and I hope this video has saved you lots of time and energy, because I don't want to take this to pieces. I only bought it 2 weeks ago. If it happens again, I'll just use the vise again. Otherwise, use the correct pieces, the correct bits for your impact driver, and you shouldn't have too many problems. I heard this was happening a lot with Makita, but anyway, I don't think it's brand related, I think it's bit related. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll show you some more tips and tricks that I've gleaned while learning to use all these tools. Thanks a lot. See you later.